this is how to get started with a hosting account. Real simple. Come in here, click on here. Fill this out. Okay, when you first log in, you're going to be prompted here to add your address and a tag color. If you're hosting an account, this might not even be useful information for you, so you can skip it. We'll come back to it later. But let's get started setting up your first MySkiSwap. So click on here. We're going to go ahead up and set up a new one. Okay, so I went ahead and filled some of this out already, so you didn't have to watch me fill this out. But when you're creating a new one, you have some options. There's some text editor in here. You can kind of, however you would like to do it. If you want to link maybe a website in here, so there we go. You can add links. You can add photos like I did here. That would just be here. You can load that into here, and that'll be images only. As you see, I have a details page or a details section, and then down here is your vendor's details. The only difference is if you are on an actual plan, you can have an external portal for the public to see, and then this would be information that your vendors get to see. And then down here is where you're going to set up some of your other information. So right here we will set the percentage. It says whole numbers, but I'll change that later. But you can put in decimal, but you do not want to put something like that or that. It's not going to read it correctly, so go ahead and put in a number like that. And then if you have tax, this might not pertain to you if you're on the free account. If you're going to end up using the point of sale system, you can add in your tax. So whatever you want to put in there, your website, this will be by default, it'll put your information right there. You can add in your event address and contact number for vendors. And then let's go ahead and drop in some files. You can drag drop here, or you can select. So maybe these files, you have a picture and a Excel file. You can load these into there. And now any vendors that you associate with this MySkiSwap will have access to these files. And we can go over that next, but right now you just hit create. And now here we go. This is what it looks like once we create. So your details are there. Your vendor details are here. And then in the next video, we'll get into this. All right, great. Thanks.